Welcome to Love Infused Kitchen. I'm Angie. On today's episode, I'll be making Red Velvet Cheesecake Brownies. Let's get started. In a medium bowl, I'm adding together 1/2 cup of butter, which is 1 stick that's already melted. Into that mixture, I'm adding 1 cup of sugar. And I'm going to mix this up until it's glossy. Next, I'm going to add 2 eggs. Okay, into the bowl goes 2 eggs. I'm going to whisk until it's all emulsified. And it says whisk about 2 minutes. Okay. To this mixture, I'm going to add 1 1/2 teaspoons of red food coloring. Next, I'm going to add 2 teaspoons of pure vanilla extract. Stir this in. Then I have 3/4 cup of all-purpose flour that's going to go into the bowl. I have 3 tablespoons of cocoa powder. It's going to go into the bowl. And finally, 1/2 teaspoon of salt. And I'm going to combine this. Should have worn my apron today. I'm already flicking the batter on me. All right, everything looks combined on that batter. Next, I'm going to make the cream cheese swirl. For the cream cheese swirl, I'm going to add together 1 8-ounce block of cream cheese, 1/3 cup of granulated sugar, and 1 egg. All right, I'm going to blend these items together. I have an 8x8 pan here that I've greased first with coconut oil, and then I put parchment paper in it, pressed it along the sides, and greased the parchment paper. To the 8x8 pan, I'm going to add the Red Velvet brownie batter mix. All right, I'm going to spread the brownie batter out. I'm going to add the cream cheese mixture in dollops. And then you swirl it through. I'm going to grab a knife for that. All right, let's get the brownies into the oven. All right, I have my brownies ready to go into the oven. I have preset the oven to 350 degrees. And the instructions say to bake for 30 to 35 minutes. So I'm going to... My timer is going off, so I'm going to give my brownies a check. At this point, my brownies are perfectly baked. It ended up taking about 31 minutes for the brownies to completely be cooked or baked through. I'm now going to allow the brownies to cool a bit before I cut them. All right, I'm going to do a taste test. I wasn't planning on doing one because I didn't know if these brownies were quite what I wanted. Like, I didn't know if they were my favorite thing. So I decided to try one, and they are so good. So I decided to go ahead and do a little taste test for you. It's the perfect balance of brownie and cheesecake. At first, you think you're eating a piece of cheesecake with some brownie in it. But that is excellent. And because these turned out so good, I've decided, I think either next week or stay tuned, I'm going to do a cheesecake or a carrot cake cheesecake brownie. I'm pretty sure I saw a recipe for one, so I'll be on the lookout for that. Well, that's all for today. Thank you for watching if you watched all the way through the video. Infinite blessings to all. Till next time.